Hi guys, welcome back to another video. These are new Apache RTR 162V base model. We purchased this bike recently and we have also made a separate walk around review of this. You can check out that video from the link in the description box. Specifically, this is RM Drum Black Edition, which comes completely in black color and without any graphics installed on it. As I told before, today we'll be installing 182V stickers on this bike, which looks more better than the 162V graphics. So this is a complete sticker set I purchased online. Which comes with all the stickers including silver color TVS horse logo. Now I'll go to some sticker shop and get the stickers installed. We are done with the installation and this is how the final looks came out. I hope you like the final looks and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you have a same plan, I'll leave the sticker set link in the description box. You can check out. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.